If you need to remove a card from your Bell Canada account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bell Canada website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the card you wish to remove. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, find the section for payment methods or billing information. This is typically located under account settings or billing options. Step 3. Select the card to remove. In the payment methods section, you will see a list of cards linked to your account. Identify the card you want to remove and select it for further options. Step 4. Remove the card. Look for an option to remove or delete the selected card. Click on this option and confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the card is removed from your account. Step 5. Verify removal. After removing the card, check the payment methods section again to confirm that the card is no longer listed. This ensures that the removal was successful. By following these steps, you can easily remove a card from your Bell Canada account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Bell Canada customer support for assistance.